Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I've got another clothing box. This is the second time I've gotten this box. This is Drape Fit. It was sent to me and it just cost me $1 for the box to be shipped to me. If this is a box that you're interested in, I believe it is $20 for you to sign up to get a box. And I do have a promo code that I will pin to the top comments below that would get you $20 off. And I believe if you keep every item in the box, you're going to get 20% off. Now, this subscription, how I would see it, it's not subscription, this box, it is more, the price points are more for the everyday person. I got it last time and the items, I didn't like them. They weren't my style. I believe there was one pair of jeans, but there was something with them. I can't remember, but I sent everything back last time. But I thought, I'm going to give them another try. I don't think it's fair just once when, you know, they're providing the box to me for only $1. I want to give them an opportunity to really showcase their clothes, what they have to offer, especially since it is a very, like I said, not budget, but cost effective. It's more realistic on what people probably can afford. So here's the box, Drape Fit. And let me see what's in here. Okay, so on top we've got some jewelry. So it comes in this little bag here. So I will say I have started buying bracelets and wearing bracelets. So this is gold plated chain bracelet. The color is gold. Didn't I already say that? Sorry. Let's see. Okay, so this is shamelessly sparkly, tarnish resistant stainless steel. That's what it looks like. Now I will say, if these flowers were smaller, a little bit more dainty, this would be right up my alley. But they're a little bit too large for me, and I'll show you what I mean, like by dainty, kind of. So like here, you know, dainty, and here more dainty. These just, you know, my wrists are already big, and putting some like a big item. So but you know, they're not off to a bad start. I will see that. They're better, off to a better start than the last piece of jewelry they had sent over. If I'm remembering correctly, were they earrings? I'll have to go back and look. Okay, next item. Okay, this is funny. Right on the top, this is what it says. Hide your muffin top. I think that's funny. Perfect tummy control, designed with built-in panels and special construction. Oh, I'm sorry. What is wrong with me, you guys? So perfect tummy control, designed with built-in panels and special construction at the waistline. So it is royalty for me. Let's look at these. All right. So are these like the Bermuda length? I will try them on, but I will say I hated this length when I was in high school and it was in style, and I was like 110 pounds. That length on a short person just never done anything for me, but I'm going to try them on. I'm going to try them on. Okay, the next item, okay. So first is the sleeves. So again, with the not listening to the sleeves. It is very ruffly. Now, oh my goodness, and it's ruffly bigger in the back than it is in the front. All party in the back. No party in the front. Party in the back. Seriously, on a shirt? I mean, okay. Now, I know that I said that I would be open and I would try things on, but you guys, I just can't. I just can't. One, the sleeves are too short, but the party in the back and the color. Yellow is not my color. And it's pale yellow. So I apologize in advance. This is just something I just cannot. But seriously, you guys, party in the back. I'm just sorry. Sorry. Okay, next shirt. Is it a peasant? Oh, now, I do give some grace on sleeves when, you know, it's hard to know the length of the person's arm to know, does it go to their elbow? I give grace with that. Because I think it was a couple boxes before I didn't think it would cover, and they were long enough. These are definitely not going to be long enough. So here's the shirt. This is orange. Orange. Orangish red. Sleeves. I mean, I don't wear orange. Now, this is going to be a no try for me because of the sleeves. That's why this one is going to be a no try, unfortunately. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Oh, no. Okay, we got, is this a romper? A jumpsuit? I'm gonna try it on only because these seem to be in style, and I'm kind of curious. Historically, like this full one piece, not me. So I'm gonna try it on from that perspective, but I will say the quality, well, one, you're definitely gonna have to get it dry cleaned. But I'm just questioning the quality, you guys. I'm looking at the stitches, and like, are they straight? I would have to get it altered, because it's way too long. I will try it on, and somehow figure out a way to show you guys. So I'll try that on. Now, if there's a jacket in here to go with that, lightweight, okay. But that's all that's in the box. Okay, so again, let's go back to the other box that's sending us like 9 items right now. Again, I'm disappointed. Quality, questioning. You gave me 2 shirts I can't wear, an outfit I can't wear, and I don't even know what this size is. It just says 1. I don't even know what that means. One size? I don't think that's the case. So I am greatly disappointed. These are no's. This is going to be no. I wish it was daintier. I'm going to try the shorts on to be a good sport. And I'm going to try this on. And then we will be back. Okay, I got the shorts on. And they're a no. I just don't think these are short people. Shorts. And again, I didn't like them before. I know I have to go really far back for you guys to see, but they're just not. They're just not. Okay, let's check out the romper pant. Is it a romper if it's long pants? I'm not sure. But you'll see the jacket from a prior opening box is making a reappearance because I haven't sent it back yet. But I thought, oh, maybe this jacket might look okay and good over this. So here we go. I did think about it. However, buttons here, I don't like it. The wrinkliness of this, I wouldn't be able to maintain that. Having to go to the bathroom in this, you gotta unbutton these, take it off your shoulders. And it's gonna be too difficult for me to keep it clean. And the quality, I feel like now that I got it on, no, I still don't like the quality. So this is another 0 no-go for Drape Fit. I do not think I will get another box from them. I don't think I will. I think I'll just kind of call it now. But I am curious to see what the prices of these clothes were. Let's see. Oops. All right, so now they did give me $20 gift card. So I got a $20 gift card last time, and I got a $20 gift card again this time. And that is to post this. And it says what to expect from us: free shipping and returns. You can order your fit box online. You can cancel at any time. You keep all items. You can save up to 25%. And this, it's a letter from my stylist. And okay, she didn't mention anything about the sleeves. So how much? This jumper, it's not a 1, apparently it's a 10. Well, it says a large, a 10 to a 12, $59.99. That's probably a realistic price for this, I will say that. The gold plated chain bracelet, $19.99. I think that's a little bit pricey for that. The 3-button slim stretch Bermuda shorts, $32.99. I think that's a reasonable price for those. The women printed tie boho top. So I think they're calling it red. All right. $34.99. That's probably about right. And then the woven solid short sleeve blouse, yellow, $28.50. Yeah, I would not be spending more than $28.50 on that. So if you kept everything, you get 25% off discount. It would be $141.60. Yeah. But unfortunately, I will not be keeping anything this go around. Even with like the $20 off, no, there's just nothing. So, all right, guys. Well, again, thank you for spending some time with me, and we will spend some time and we'll see each other again here soon.